टू द स्टूडियो। स्वागत है आप सभी का विद द ग्रेटेस्ट अपडेट दैट वी हैव हियर, बिग ब्रेकिंग। सो काइंडली मेक श्योर टू शेयर दिस इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट एंड चैनल को यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग, पेंशन एंड रिलेटेड अपडेट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट with the update that we have here for all of you and hope you all are doing very good. आप स्वस्थ होंगे. So dear retiree friends, for the last 4 days I am admitted to hospital for UTI. Not feeling well and may be discharged today evening or tomorrow morning. So during the period, the new criminal under MIPD Act 1999 filed by me was scheduled yesterday, and since I was not present in the court, some queries raised by the district judge Kolhapur were unanswered. Overall, the judge seems to be convinced with the argument of the lawyer. So positive है यहाँ पे. Only he wants some clarifications from the applicant. So hence the case is adjourned to 20th of July 24. 20 जुलाई तक ये केस एडजर्न हो चुका है. The case is for illegal things tried to be legalized by anti-pension revision elements like all public sector banks, Director Board of Canara Bank IBA and United Pharma Bank Union convener by promoting ex gratia instead of our demand for pension revision on RBI formula retrospectively and restriction of misutilization of pension fund trust by banks which is our प्रॉपर्टी. ओबियसली वो हमारी प्रॉपर्टी है. सो अनदर रिट इन द बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट हैज़ बीन फाइल्ड दिस वीक. ओनली द रिट वॉज फाइल्ड आफ्टर द अर्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शंस बाय द ऑनरेबल बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट टू कॉन्टैक्ट कैनरा बैंक फर्स्ट एंड देन अप्रोच जुडिशरी. So as per the instructions of Bombay High Court, Canara Bank was contacted by me through a letter. However, they denied my every demand. Hence, I am compelled to cover prospective effects given by ex gratia of rupees 450. Thereby, I lost 26 years 3 months retrospective effects of arrear. Moreover, I have also covered a refund of health insurance cover premium payments since 2015. So, in addition, the illegal arrears of ex gratia paid by Canara Bank since November 22, the illegal debit of ex gratia done to pension trust account as per PNB, refund of excess recovery made of commutation beyond 10 years at 8 months, conditional payment of pension to resignees, less percentage of DA being paid to retirees is also challenged by writ in the Honorable Bombay High Court. So I am sure to get the order in retirees' favor since Bank of Baroda versus G Plani judgment has given arrears with 9% interest on 30th of February 2018. So this is a fight for the right of the retirees, Mr. Basant Bankodare ji. So this is a important update from the bank pensioners point of view. So kindly make sure to share this important update एंड चैनल को फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग, पेंशन एंड रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स के लिए.